Now we are going to work on getting all the orders of logged in user. Below this, I will be writing comment. Here I will write all my orders. So whichever user is logged in, if they want to see whatever items they have ordered, they can easily see all that items. From here, I will copy, paste, remove this entire content. I will give the function name as all my orders. Inside this, I will be creating one variable order. Here I will be passing order. Simply, I will be passing find method, inside which I will be passing user property, in which we are going to have ID of the user, which user has ordered the item. For this, I'm just going to assign this value request.user.id. So whichever user is logged in, that information I'm going to store inside this user. If that ID is present, we are simply going to find the user. Below this, we will check if there are no orders. User can have multiple orders, so I will be passing orders. From here, copy, and inside this I'm going to paste. Then finally, if I'm able to find the order, response.status, status code is 200, JSON method, inside which I will be passing success to be true, and whatever orders I am having, that orders I'm just going to pass as the response. Okay, whichever user is logged in, that ID we are assigning to user. If we are able to find that order, accordingly, we are going to send the response. I will copy, come to order routes, copy this same thing. Again, we are doing get request, and inside this, I will be passing the route as orders user. Remove this. I will pass orders user, and if the user want to see all the information, they should be logged in, and we don't have to pass role based access because normal user can also see all their orders. Inside this, I will be pasting this function, as well as I have imported the function. Now I will come here, copy this route, I will paste the route here. Request will be get, remove this. Inside this, let me just pass the route. What I have given, I have given order/user, orders/user. I will click on send. I am having empty orders because we have logged in using admin, and admin has not placed any order. I will click on log out, successfully logged out. Now I will come to login. Here I will be passing khanamteaching@gmail.com. Click on send, successfully logged in, and this user is normal user, and this user has placed the order. Click on send. Now you can see inside these orders, I will be having these two orders. Whatever orders we have created successfully, we are going to get two orders for this user. So whichever user is logged in, accordingly, we are going to get information of these orders. Now I will click on save, come back. Inside this orders, I will write get logged in orders. Click on save.